Hello friends, now we'll do question number 1 from exercise 3.4. Question number 1, find the common factor of 20 and 28. 20 and 28. So factor of 20, factor of 20, so we know factor of 20 is 1, 2, 20 is not come in the table of 3, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Again we have to find out the factor of 28. So factors of 28 is 1, 2, not 3, then 4, 4 7 are 28, 5, not possible, 6, 7, 8, not possible, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 twos are 28. So after 14 twos are 28, then last factor is 28. So friends, common factor of common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2, then 4. So common factors of 20 and 28 is 1, 2 and 4. Friends, now you have to find out the common factor of 15 and 25. So first we have to find out the factor. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Same you have to find out the factor of 25. Factors of 25. So 1, 3 not possible, 4 not possible, 5 5s are 25. So 5 is one of the factor of 25. Then 25. So common factor (15 and 25), 1 and 5. Then see 35 and 50. Find out the factor of 35 and 50. So factors of 35 equal to 1, 2 not possible, 3 is also not possible, 4 not possible, 5 7 ja. So 5 and 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2 are 34, so not possible, then last 35. And factor of 50, we can say 1, 2, 3 not possible, 4 not possible, 5, 6 not possible, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 5s are 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 2s are 50. So 25. 25 2s are 50 means last factor is 50. Friends, now we have to find out the factor of common factor of 35 and 50. 1, then 5, 1 and 5. Now D, 56 and 120. We have to find out the common factor for 56 and 120. So factors of 56, let's find out. 1, last digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2, so it is a multiple of 2. So we can say 2 is the factor of 56. 3, not possible. 4, 4 is multiple or factor of 56. 5, not possible. 6, not possible. 7 8 ja 56. So 7 is factor. 8 is also factor. 9, not possible. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 4 ja 56. 15, 16 not possible. 17 is also not possible. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 2 ja 56. So 28 2 ja 56 means last factor is 56. Now the factors of 120. So factors of 120 is 1, 2, 3 4 ja 12 means 3, 4 3 ja 12, 4, 5, 6 2 ja 12, 6, 7 is not possible. 8, 8 1 ja 8, 4 8 5 ja, so 8 is a factor of 120. 9, 10, 10 12 ja 120. 11 not possible. 12, 13, 14, 15 is a factor of 120. 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6 ja 120. Then 21 not possible. 22 not possible. 23 not possible. 24 5 ja 24 5 ja 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 12. So 24, then 25 not possible. 26, 27, 28 not possible. 29 not possible. 30 4 ja 120. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 5 4 ja 35. Let's check for 35. So 35 also not possible. 36, 36 also not possible. 37, 38, 39, 40, 43 ja 120. Then 62 is 120 and last 120. So here we have to find out the common factor of 56 and 120. So common factor of 56 and 120 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. 56 is not there, 28 is not there, 14 is not there. So common factor of 56 and 120 is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Thank you.